Good evening, everybody. Before I start with my presentation, I must congratulate Professor Gurinder Singh, various ambassadors for getting the award, and I'm really thankful, and it gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this huge gathering where all dignitaries, eminent speakers, they are sitting over there. When I got an invitation from Professor Gurinder with the topic that I need to share my views on the topic, inspiring individuals to innovate technologies for greener world, I thought and thought over it. Do I really innovate some technology to make the world greener? Or can I do some actions which are helpful in making the world greener? So I have put my thoughts together. I'll just take you through some slides which I have prepared. I think if even a small action is adopted by you at any level, at individual level, at an organizational level, I think I would feel that I have done my job. Okay, I'll just take you through my presentation. By the time the presentation is ready, I'll just take you through the introduction to my company. I'm just representing my company as Head Environment, Health and Safety, IREO Private Management. This is called as the next level of living. IREO is the first and the largest private equity fund dedicated to the Indian real estate sector. The company has a pan-India footprint of projects in prime locations across NCR, including Gurgaon, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra under various stages of development and implementation. IREO has been present in India since 2004 and has evolved as a fully integrated real estate organization that is both the financer and developer of its projects. IREO's team consists of internationally experienced and accomplished Indian and expatriate professionals from diverse backgrounds to lead initiatives and to deliver best-in-class products and services to our customers. IREO's investor base consists of blue chips and globally renowned financial institutions. For a life-altering experience, step into the world of IREO, where the way you live will not just be refined, it will be multiplied. Selecting and integrating complex technologies to design living spaces is both an art and a science. At IREO, we are committed of creating affordable housing projects by integrating residential areas with places of work and recreation with seamless connectivity. It is our endeavor to build an environment that is energy efficient and eco-friendly. At IREO, use of the latest in technology devices and systems will offer never before experienced levels of comfort, convenience and security. So, all of you are very familiar with the global warming. What is global warming? This is a gradual increase planet-wide temperatures. Earth has been hottest in at least 400 years and possibly even the last 200 years. The global warming is rising in the temperature, and there are some inconvenient truths regarding global warming. Mumbai's Nariman Point will be submerged by 2020. 50 million people in coastal belts will be displaced by year 2100. All these are the factual things. We may or may not like it. 40% of Himalayan glaciers may vanish soon. Climate change may lead to global catastrophe, costing millions of lives, and is a great threat than terrorism. Sea level will rise 40 centimeters higher by 2100, and 500 million people in coastal India would be displaced by flooding. The warm world will be more humid and hot, which will result in more water evaporation from Earth. Humid weather will enhance rainfall, but will claim pattern are high intensity. Storm water will be more strong and frequent. Weather patterns are suspected to be less predictable and more extreme. Sea levels will wide rose 10 to 20 centimeter in the 20th century. Increase in temperature may cause a poleward shift of agriculture zones and shift in growing seasons. Animal and plants will find it difficult to escape from or adjust effect of warming because of less availability of space already occupied by the human beings. What's the problem with this? More people will get sick or die from heat stress due to warmer nights. The potential climate change will be on health, agriculture, forest, water resources, coastal areas, etc. Effect of global warming in the Indian context. 30% drop in per capita water availability by 2030 for Indians at great dry days become frequent. Wheat production will fall by 17% in India if the temperature rise by even half a degree centigrade. The Himalayan glaciers may totally disappear, causing catastrophic disruption. Glacier meltdown will first result in rivers being flooded and then drying up. If current warming rate persists, glaciers of the Tibet Plateau will shrink rapidly from 1 lakh square kilometer to 1 lakh from 5 lakh square meter to 1 lakh. Warmer ocean temperature will lead to bleaching and destroy vast tracts of Indian coral reefs. 25% amount of flora and fauna in India would extinct by the year of 2030. Now, global warming is a reality. World is changing. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, predicts that the sea levels could rise by 9 to 88 centimeter in the next century. Global warming is now unequivocal, and that human activity very likely has been the primary cause of rising temperatures worldwide since 1950. These are the summary of the impacts of the global warming: snowpack, glacier melt, forest fires, extreme weathers, etc., etc. Now, we all know, although we want to avoid all these truths, what can I do? What becomes my role? What initiatives can I take? Initiatives could be at the personal level or they could be at the organizational level. What can I do as a responsible citizen or as a responsible organization? And is it necessary to make the innovations, or there could be only the simple initiatives? I can just, whenever is possible, recycle paper, plastic, newspaper, etc. By recycling half of your household waste, you can save 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide annually. Use less heat and air conditioning. CLFs last 10 times longer than the incandescent bulbs, use two-thirds less energy and give off 70% less heat. Drive less and drive smart. You can, by doing that, you produce fewer emissions. When you do drive, make sure your car is running efficiently. Every gallon of gas you save not only helps your budget, it also keeps 20 pounds of carbon dioxide out of the environment. Buy energy efficient products. Plant a tree. They are there to fully counter the increases in the carbon dioxide caused by the automobile traffic, manufacturing and other human activities. A single tree will absorb approximately 1 ton of carbon dioxide during its lifetime. Use the off switch, save electricity and reduce global warming by turning off lights when you leave a room and using only as much as you need. Switch to the vegetarian diet. 1 pound of beef from the cattle raised on feed lots represents the loss of 35 pounds of topsoil. It takes 16 pounds of grain and soybeans to produce 1 pound of feedlot beef. Around 20 vegetarian can be fed on the land that it takes to feed a meat eater. alternative, improved, innovative technology. We can have all these options with us to improve the efficiency, to use the green energy and to utilize renewable energy. Options are plenty. What can I do as an organization? Make some strategies and do the task accordingly. You can just expand your green businesses, promote green technologies or green industries, establish a green foundation and put into practice green life, reducing carbon footprint through green technologies. There are plenty of the options available. Energy could be in the green energy in the form of hydro, solar, photovoltaic. It could be wind energy, biofuels, biomass, waste to energy, energy and fuel from biomass through pyrolysis, gasification and combustion, geothermal energy, ocean energy, nuclear energy, energy saving through waste management, by producing the green buildings, energy efficiency. There is lot of energy efficiency, energy saving in the green buildings. By using sustainable modes of transport, nanotechnology is another area where you can just go green. Then do the green purchasing. Green is everywhere. Now it is becoming the fashion of the day, and let's go with the fashion. Plant a seed of thought, harvest a feeling, plant a feeling and harvest an action. Plant an action and harvest a habit. Plant a habit and harvest a character. Plant a character and harvest a destiny. Follow the sustainability model for air, land, water, energy. Live more sustainably. In a fragile biosphere, the ultimate fate of humanity may depend on whether we can cultivate a deeper sense of self-restraint founded on a widespread ethic of limiting consumption and finding non-material enrichment. What we want, we have to decide: a planet devastated or a peaceful planet. Choice lies with us. Let's dream and work together for a planet that our future generation can cherish. Life is a gift from God, and how I make it is a gift to the God. Thank you, and let's start our green journey. It continues as a responsible citizen as well as a responsible organization. Thanks a lot.